Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Object Technology, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to create a fully functional and responsive login page using HTML, Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript in this step-by-step tutorial. Now what at basic thing, we're going to be learning how to use Visual Studio Code and integrate GitHub Copilot for designing a full screen background login form with Bootstrap, adding font awesome icon inside input field, creating a remind me checkbox and forget password link, and implementing real life form validation using JavaScript, adding a password toggle feature for better user experience, displaying a login spinner on form submission. Also, lastly, we're going to be showing success or error message using a modal, that is after the form has been submitted. Now, what are the tools we're going to be using? We're going to be using a Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code editor installed on your system, I want to implore you to take a look at one of my previous video, or you check this playlist and you should be able to get a Visual Studio Code installation tutorial. Now, we're also going to be using GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT for AI power coding. You must have an internet connection while running this. All right, do not forget to like this video if you find it helpful, subscribe for more web development tutorial, and share to fellow friends. So quickly, let us move down to the tutorial for the day. Once you have opened your Visual Studio Code, you have an environment like this. You come up here and click on File, and we're going to take Open Folder. Now you're going to select where you want that folder to be. For me, I'm going to be using my desktop because my desktop is very much empty. And next thing I'm going to do is create a new folder, and my new folder I'm going to be naming it login. Yeah, so I'm going to select that folder, and it will appear on my Visual Studio Code editor. Next thing we're going to do is to create a file, and we're going to name it login.html. Now I would like us to go down to our desktop, or where we save our file, to confirm that what we've just done has been displaying now. So this is my login folder, and here is my login file. So let's go back to our text editor. Now the next thing we're going to be doing now is to get our prompt and use our prompt to instruct Copilot to give us our code, or you can just also go down to ChatGPT and then you input your prompt, and then it gives you your code. So for me, I'm going to be using the Copilot to do this now. So I'm going to just be pressing Ctrl-I. Ask Copilot anything. I'm going to be pasting my prompt. Meanwhile, the prompt, you can get the prompt from my website. I'll be leaving the link below for you to be able to get access to this full prompt, where you can also test run by yourself. So once you've pasted the prompt in that field, you send and dispatched. So you can see, as you can see, Copilot is writing the code for me now. As you can see, I'm not writing anything. Copilot is doing everything for me. So once it's done, we're going to test try to see the accuracy of what he has done for it is done for us. So this is it. So I'm going to click on accept, and you're going to also click on save, so that you could save this. So now I'm going back to my desktop, my login form. So I'm going to run this now on my browser. And now look at what it has given to me. We're going to make some little bit of adjustment now, very, very little adjustment, because he has given us virtually everything we need. It's giving us virtually everything we need. So first of all, I want the background of this form to have a background image, and I also want to get my logo to appear there. So what I'm going to do is just going to go to one of my folders and copy my logo and background colors, and I'm going to bring down to that same folder. So this is BG. You could have this set aside, and this is my logo. So I'm copying it. I'm going back to my desktop. I'm just pasting it right there, and I'm going to load and see it has displayed my logo and my background. So there's just one issue here, and that issue is there's supposed to be a toggle password. That should be able to, once I type my password, I should be able to toggle it with this the icon is here. So we're going to be treating that now. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to inspect. I'm currently using a Chrome, and on my inspect, yeah, this is my eye toggle. Yes, so I'm going to do some little adjustments here to see how far it's going to respond to me. First of all, let me move this to the side. I'm going to put in this important for the top, and for this I'm also going to put in important, and I'm going to be changing this from left to right. Let's just play around. So I'm going to put in 0, so it's giving. All right, okay, let's do 0, and let's do 300. All right, 300 works for me, but it's taking everything. So we're coming back to the code, our code editor, to make some adjustments. I'm going to quickly do a little. So this is it, and here I'm having important. Yeah, I'm having important, and here I'm going to be having 300. So this is going to just work for only that page. So let's go back to our web page and we. Okay, we still have it. 300. Okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm also going to change this from right to left, so that it could just pick only this password review section. And I'm going back here, I'm going to run. Yes, everything is showing. Now if I try to submit, it gives me a prompt that I can't submit this. Now I want to check something on the code, so that I can just do a brief running. We told ChatGPT to help us get the Bootstrap online. We told it also to get the font awesome online. So you see it has given us our URL. It gave us the title of the page, and it gave us some CSS in order just to balance everything we have requested for. The home page, that's the login form, should be 100% high. There should be a background image, and the background image I instructed you to name it JPG, and then it should create a space for me for logo. Yeah, it should give my form button dark orange and then a lighter orange, the spinner and the rest. So this was just where we made a few changes. We added important here, and then we just had to change from right to left. And so this is the page. This is the other one for the form, and this is my logo. Now I want us to go and check what did they put for us as login credentials. Yeah, look at it. It now says if user equals to admin and password equals to admin, it should give success. It should give us a wrong one. So now we're going to try it. Let's use admin here, and let's use another password here, password. And if you come to the toggle, it's open. You can click on remind me. Now let's submit the form. See the spinner, and look at it. Login error, invalid username and password. And this was done without me having any experience in HTML. I didn't write any code. Let's make the password correct. Admin, and let's also confirm that it's admin, and let's see our message. All right, login page successful. That is what it has given to us. Yeah, so the idea of this video is to encourage those who are trying to get into the space of web to be able to have knowledge of how AI can assist you in your step-by-step development, and this is just one of it. I'll be doing more video. I'd like you to comment below your experience using this prompt, and if there are any tutorial you would like me to use AI to help you develop, just put it down in the comment section. So for now, this is what I decided to show to us. Thank you once again. Please subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.